Bring in key decision makers when branding your business. You must designate the primary decision makers of your company to carry out the branding process. If you assign too many people to these tasks, you will not achieve the final objective of the branding process. You must designate a maximum of 2 people in charge of doing this. Failure to do so implies that a decision pattern cannot be made. What you can do to involve more employees in this process is to ask their opinion. When looking to get results based on creativity, brainstorming helps a lot. Remember that having a team leader is vital to achieving a successful result in the branding development process.
Yes!
After watching this video, you should have a better understanding about this topic. If you still have any question, please ask.
Ask, please.
Use the comment section. Another important thing is that you must continue educating yourself about this topic. That's why I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, so that you can receive much more free information about this topic and other internet marketing strategies that will help you grow your online business. In the same way, I recommend you to press the small bell next to the subscribe button. This way, you will receive alert in your YouTube account and in your email at the precise moment when I publish a new video, so that you can be informed much more sooner than other users. Last but not least, I would like to invite you to join my mailing list. You will be informed every time I add new content to my website, and you will receive by email free internet marketing information on a regular basis, which will help you grow your online business faster. You don't have to pay anything for it. It is completely free. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you later in the next video. Goodbye.